Step down. Know your place.
No.
You work for us.
Then, okay.
Do not touch me. Let me... Sir, can you please get this woman off of me?
Ma'am.
On the 18th of July, 2025, at approximately 7 a.m. in Florida, a female driver was pulled over by law enforcement while operating a brand new Tesla without a visible license plate. The encounter quickly escalated into a criminal arrest for resisting an officer without violence and driving on a suspended license after the woman refused to identify herself, claiming she was traveling rather than driving and therefore not subject to state statutes.
Why do you not have a license plate on the back of the Tesla?
This is a brand new car. I just purchased it. I have a temporary tag.
Where's the temporary tag?
It should be on the back. Bro, like on the...
On the back, there's nothing there. So I don't know, maybe you lost it while you were driving. If that's the insurance, we're gonna need that too, and your license.
I don't need to give you guys anything.
What's your issue? Why are you being like that? I just stopped you because you don't have the license plate. You said that it should be there, right? And I told you that it's not. So then where is it?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, so then that's why I'm asking you, okay? And then in order for me to move forward, I will need the information because obviously I can't get anything off of a tag that's not there.
Got to release your name and name and date of birth, and it has to show you a form of ID.
What is your name?
I'm not contracting with you, but I'll give you my name. But I want to make sure for your record. Is your camera on?
Of course.
Okay, good. I'm not contracting with the state. I'm not contracting with you whatsoever. I'll need my name solely for the purpose.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Tell me your name. I'm sorry, say that again? How do you spell it? Last name. Sorry?
I'm not in the jurisdiction. I'm not traveling. I'm sorry, I'm not driving. I am traveling right
Oh, so she's just giving the first name.
Ma'am, we have to be able to identify you because you're lawfully being stopped.
Lawful being stopped under what grounds?
You have no tag on your vehicle.
Right, and as I just mentioned.
Sorry?
Huh?
Why are you guys surrounding my vehicle right now? Now I feel threatened.
You have PC to tow the car without a tag on it right now.
So you have no tag on your vehicle. That's why you're being stopped.
Correct.
Okay. So being that you're on a lawful stop, you're being lawfully stopped with probable cause of having no tag.
What crime is that?
You have no, you're not understanding. You have no
That's not a crime.
tag.
That's not a crime.
That is a crime. Yes, it is.
It's not a crime.
Yes, it is.
Quick get your attorney.
Are you going to identify yourself? You have to have some type of way to identify you.
Okay, what are you looking at?
10-4. She's talking to you, so then talk to her. If I was going to talk to you, you should have done that earlier.
My vehicle and all of my stuff.
I'm actually listening to the radio, so...
You have a form of ID for us to identify you.
It's in my trunk.
Where in your trunk? Where in your trunk? Like in a bag?
Yes, in a packet because I enrolled her to the school, so I have a packet that's full of all of my personal documents, my social, my passport, etc.
So it's in a bag in the trunk.
Correct.
What color is the bag?
It's not in a bag, it's in a pouch.
Okay, so what color is the pouch?
Purple.
So it's a purple pouch in the trunk that has your ID in it. Okay. So can you open the trunk so we can get your ID?
I can open the trunk and get my ID.
No, we cannot allow you to get out and go in the trunk.
Well, I'm not allowing you to go in
Okay, so can you give us your name?
I just gave it to her.
First name, last name,
I
date
just
of
gave it
birth.
to her.
We're going to need more information than what you were telling us. Either you allow for us to get the documents out of your trunk, or you give us the information verbally. Those are your only two options at this time.
You have to.
I'm trying to work with you, but you guys are
Go ahead and roll,
being
Johnson.
extremely aggressive.
Yeah.
You have to identify.
Make sure you're ready to get her out of the car.
All right. We're going to go ahead and... Afuera.
You're gonna what?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Is the car off?
No, excuse me, what are you about to do?
Is the car off,
What are you
ma'am?
about to do?
We're going to remove you and the passenger out of the vehicle
You are
due
not
to
going to
you
do
not
that.
wanting to cooperate with
I
us and
am
provide us
not
the information
agreeing
that we are
on
asking for you to give us.
I am not agreeing to you. Excuse me, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I got her here.
Go ahead and step out. Step out.
Because you're not identifying yourself.
I just gave you my freaking name. What the hell are you talking about? Yes, I did. Do not touch me.
Get out of the car.
Come here. Just come with me.
What are you doing?
I'm going to have you come to the back of the car over here.
Do not touch my daughter.
Your daughter's cooperating. We don't have to do anything. You're not cooperating.
I'm finna get the venom off the vehicle.
I need all of your badge, your names, your badge numbers, etc.
Just go ahead and you can lean up against the car.
Can you let go of me?
No, so then lean against the car.
I'll lean against the car, but let go of me.
Stay right there.
I have not committed a crime. You need to get me out of these damn
sounds
handcuffs.
good. We already
Get me out
tried
of
talking to
handcuffs.
you. We're done talking.
Where's your supervisor? Sir, since she is not cooperating as an individual, doing her duties in her job.
She's doing exactly what she should be doing, ma'am. Would be happy to get a supervisor here for you, okay?
I need him now. Right now.
He's calling.
You've been uncooperative so far, ma'am, so you're going to remain in cuffs until we're comfortable that you're cooperative, okay?
Number 28 by Ben.
Am I being arrested?
You said you're being detained until we got.
Am I being arrested?
Here.
I need these off of me right now.
We're gonna wait for our supervisor, like you requested, right?
I didn't request to be yanked out of my vehicle.
Okay. Due to you not cooperating with us, that's what happened. So now we're gonna do what you want, and you called for our supervisor. He's gonna be on the way. You can talk to him further.
5 Yankee Juliet. 3.
But just so you know what's happening, right? So your mom's being detained right now because she's driving a vehicle without a license plate on it, right? So we don't know what's going on, so she's being detained. You're not detained. We just need to get you out of the car because the car is likely going to be towed. Stokes, you mind closing that door for me on the car? Thank you. Not you, ma'am. Not you, ma'am.
I need her to get your hair out of my eyes, please.
The officer there can help you with that.
No,
Okay?
I do not want her to touch me again. It's fine, please. Get out of my mom.
Okay. So you're not being detained, then, right? Your mom is. Okay. So if somebody comes to pick you up, whatever it is, they're welcome to do that. You do not have to stay here, should you not want to. Okay. If you want to remain with your mom, you're welcome to do that. I'm just here to make sure that no cars hit you, that you're safe, and all that stuff. You're free to go anywhere you wish. Hey, Sarge. She's passenger in the van, so I'm just making sure she's okay.
Okay. What do we got going on?
Driver out, so
Okay. How can I help you?
There's no crime, which there is not. I need to be removed from these handcuffs right now.
Okay.
These aggressive ass cops surrounded my car, surrounded my vehicle without my consent. Open my door unlawfully and yank me out of my car.
Okay.
When I'm not driving. I'm not doing any commercial activity right now. That's my daughter. She's going to school.
You said you weren't driving?
Correct. I'm traveling. And I know y'all don't like to play by the real rules, but I already know them.
Okay.
I'm not going to accept anything less than. And everyone here is going to be sued
Okay.
for their unlawful behavior right now. This is unreal.
Okay.
Not only that, but I'm pregnant and she touched me in ways that is not acceptable.
Okay.
All right.
Let me just stay here. I'll talk to the other officer. See what you guys got going on. Okay.
those guys would fight over spoons, whatever it was. And also, like, I think, I was straight at top of it. Very integrity. Ma'am, your daughter said that you guys were on your way to school. Is that correct? All right, so I know she needs to get over there, so you have like school books or something like that, a bag? Okay, so I'm gonna go in there and get that for you.
What makes you guys think that you can touch my personal property? Like, who are you?
Where is it?
Right now,
I
ma'am.
have not done anything other than
ma'am.
drive
The
her
back
to
seat?
school. You guys have literally yanked me out of my vehicle
hold on,
at 7 o'clock in the morning.
I'm
No,
trying to
do you
help you,
understand
ma'am.
how aggressive this woman is in front of me?
Trying to help you.
You're still trying to make me speak with her.
Vinny,
I'm trying.
so we're gonna just open the door and her daughter's gonna grab the seat.
We don't know what's in there, right? I don't have no reason to believe that your daughter wants to hurt me or anything like that, right? I just don't know what's in there. So
You guys
I need
removed
to
us from the car.
I need to make sure that whatever she gets is not going to hurt us. That's all I'm trying to do. Okay.
You are ridiculous. I can't
You're
believe it.
okay to come over here. Okay. Your stuff. Can we open this door over here? Is that okay? Okay. I just don't want you sitting over there with cars.
Sarge wants to speak with you.
My mom.
Sounds cool.
Good enough. That stay in here, right? I'm just going to close this for you so it doesn't get all over the car. Is it okay if she gets your phone? Do you know where it is? Yeah, okay. So show it to your mom. Make sure that's your phone.
Do not touch me.
Put this phone back in the car, please.
You can't give it to your mom. Are you going to take it with you?
Oh no, she's giving it to me. Why can't
You can't have your phone. She said she was taking it with her.
Back in the car.
Okay.
Why can I not have my phone?
Because you're detained right now, ma'am.
For what crime?
The officer explained that to you already, right?
No, there's no crime taking
Okay.
place
Are you
here.
taking this with you, or are you leaving?
Leave it in the car.
Leaving the car? Okay.
Can I talk to my daughter? Can you get away from me, please?
No, I cannot get away from you. You're detained at this time.
You can talk to your daughter, but we can't let you walk away.
I'm not asking to walk away. I'm asking her to come here and you all step away from me, please.
I'm not.
She's right here.
away from-
She's right here, ma'am. You can talk to her.
Call Chris, please.
If we're gonna do telephone communication between the two, we're not gonna allow that to happen.
You do not need to talk to her, period. Step down. Know your place.
No.
You work for us.
Then, okay,
Do not touch me. Let me... Sir, can you please get this woman off of me?
ma'am.
I'm gonna have to put her in the car because she's not. I'm gonna have to put her in the car
Sir, please get her off of me.
because she's trying to do.
Sir,
She's trying
please...
to ask her daughter a call.
to
She's
do
asking
stuff.
asking her daughter for the phone.
Do you have
You're
anything on
breaking the
you?
wall right now.
Do you have anything
Get her
on
off of
you?
me.
Do you have anything?
Ma'am, would you like me to escort you over to school? Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So
What am I being arrested for?
You've been arrested for resisting.
I'm not resisting anything.
You resisted because you did not.
I am not
identify
resisting anything.
And you're-
That is not... Sir, please.
I understand that you don't recognize the local laws and the state laws. You have a different belief
I did not
system.
refuse anything.
Hold on a
I told them
second.
where it was. I told them I would get it.
But
yourself. You're not allowed to get it. I told you I would get it for you.
you didn't. If you aren't providing your name and identification, if you're
I gave them my name.
if you're resisting officers,
I'm not resisting anything.
if they're trying to get,
I asked
they're
them if I
trying
could
to
talk to my daughter.
they're trying to identify who you are, and you aren't providing your name and your
I gave them my
information,
name.
but that name wasn't coming up.
What do you
And
mean
then
that
you
name is
weren't,
not coming
and then
up?
you weren't giving them anything that they could use to identify you. You're also driving in a vehicle, or you're traveling in a vehicle that doesn't have a license plate on, so that's why they stopped you.
I understand that.
Okay, so based
There
on
was one on there. I literally bought that from the
So-
dealership not even a month ago.
So based on you not cooperating and providing the officers the information they needed, that's a form of passive resistance,
It is not.
and they're placing you in
Sir,
arrest
it's not.
as a result of that. That's
Sir, it's not.
That's why you're in handcuffs, because they're trying to.
Who is the injured party right now then?
I don't know if there's an injured
Then there's
party
no crime
by
here
your
right
terms,
now.
by your terms,
There's
but
no crime.
I'm just explaining to you what
whatsoever.
happened.
And I have not
All
resisted
right.
anything.
Okay. Ma'am, do you want me to? Your daughter needs to get to school. Okay. So do you want me to release her to school? Do you want me to escort her to school? How do you want me to get her over there?
You can come over here.
Sir, can you please get this woman out of my face?
I'm not moving.
Ma'am, let's just focus on your daughter.
Just focus on her. Focus on your daughter.
Can you please call Chris? Is he not answering?
Ma'am,
Okay, how you get your daughter to school? Because this is why I separated you, because you're trying to do stuff through your daughter, which you're not allowing. How are you going to get your daughter to
Who are you, my maker? Like, who are you to not allow?
We're gonna close the door.
Am I going to walk her over there, or is she going to walk by herself?
I don't really think she's
I don't mind walking her over.
Yeah, let's walk. We're gonna walk you over to school, okay? We're not gonna walk you into the campus, but we're just gonna, so that way you're not embarrassed. We're gonna walk you up and just see you in.
I'll take her.
All right.
All right, ma'am.
somebody to God?
Hey, Vinny, just let her know where her mom will be at, okay? So she could tell the adult. All right, go ahead and do whatever you're gonna do. If you want to just take her, we're gonna tow the car. We're gonna write her a ticket.
Have you and mom been through this type of stuff before? No. Okay. So just real quick, let me just explain to you, and then this way you can explain to anybody else you need to.
Did I hear you say that the cameras were on?
No, their cameras should have been on. I'm gonna go watch their body camera footage and make sure that they handled you in a manner that was appropriate. And
I have not resisted once.
Your mom is required to provide us an ID, driver's license, name, date of birth, something like that.
at that point,
Law states that I don't even need to provide unless a crime has been committed.
that's not
I
true.
have not committed a crime.
If you have a Florida driver's license or no?
I do.
Okay, so when you sign for a Florida driver's license, in part you agree,
And I
That you had-
already revoked it.
right?
So as I told her, my other ID is in my car.
Right.
I'm sorry, in my trunk. She wanted to go into my trunk. I don't trust either one of them because of the way that they treated me. So the second they walked up to my car,
Mm-hmm.
the second they walked up to my car.
Okay, so probably by the time you get out of school today, should be out. Okay.
Okay.
Just because you have nothing else better to do.
Okay.
You don't understand you don't understand what liability that you are.
So we're gonna go ahead and get going because the longer we keep you here, the longer. This is something that you'll probably be able to get through, processed, and be out within a reasonable amount of time, or within 6 to 8 hours. So the sooner we get you down and get you processed, the sooner you can get out. So I'm not gonna hold you here any longer. I'm gonna let the officers go ahead and finish up here so we can get you down and get you.
Arrested for failure to provide identification. We were pulled over for having no license plate on the vehicle.
Right.
They called you, sir, right? To pick up the vehicle. So he's now saying he wants to arrange transport for somewhere.
You
So
want to drive it?
They're being assholes about it. So if you want to, I could definitely drive it. They're being
It's-
assholes.
No, he can't drive it.
no,
I can't drive it
so
because it's not a
you
law
can,
that'll
but
break
you're
the
here
law.
now. So now you guys, it's your policy as to what you need to do.
I mean, just because I'm here, listen, if y'all are okay with
Well, you
driving.
can't drive it doesn't have a tag
It
on
doesn't have
it.
a tag.
Oh, so there you go. Okay then.
Correct. What law? Point to me. What law that says if we're
let
in
me
commerce, we need a driver?
Let me explain.
I know exactly the law.
If you get in the vehicle and you pull away, we will see you. We're going to
That's
pull
fine.
you over,
That's fine.
and then
you're going to have a lawsuit. Then you're going to lose your job. You're going to lose your job, and you're going to lose
sure,
your
I'm
job.
not worried about losing
You
my
guys,
job.
you guys have not provided a law.
If you don't mind, just I don't want you to get back on.
You guys have not provided a law because we wouldn't be. First and foremost, somebody took the tag off, or it flew off. So it's not like it's a stolen vehicle.
But we still have probable cause to pull the vehicle over.
That the tag flew off, the tag, got lost. We asked her, we said, ma'am, where's the tag? She's like, she was talking to my other partner. And we asked her, where's the tag? If you just give us the information, say, where's the tag, this could have all been seized. Like, this all wouldn't have happened. She wouldn't tell us about the tag. She wouldn't give us the VIN. She wouldn't give us the registration. She wouldn't give us the insurance. She wouldn't give us her name.
We still can't drive.
So that's like, if I'm stopping it,
Right.
because there's no tag, because that is a four-state statute.
That's not a law. So I want to
We're not gonna argue over. No. I'm saying, so this is what we're gonna do. I thought you drove another car here.
No, absolutely not.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. You can't drive it in our presence.
Absolutely.
Since you're here, you're in control of it. No, we don't want to know that. We're gonna leave.
Okay.
If you drive this car and you get stopped again, we're not gonna mess with you. But if somebody else stops you, you have to deal with
That's
the
on me,
repercussions.
exactly.
Okay?
I understand.
But don't drive this in our presence.
Absolutely.
We're sorry you had to come out. If you need to do whatever, we're gonna know. We're just gonna leave it. He's gonna be in control of it. Okay?
You don't want it towed?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Sorry.
No, you're good.
Yeah. All right. So you can take possession of the car. Don't drive it in our presence. If you do get stuck driving with it, just understand that you can get stopped and get written a ticket.
Yes, sir.
Get a plate on there or something.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Like, it's not like, listen.
The driver, an adult female resident of Florida, claimed to be traveling and rejected state jurisdiction. While she attempted to mask her identity through sovereign citizen rhetoric, records confirmed that her driver's license had been suspended, expired since 2024. Her refusal to provide documentation was likely a strategy to avoid revealing her status as an unlicensed driver. There was no high-speed chase or attempt to flee. Instead, the driver engaged in passive resistance. She refused to roll down her windows fully, declined to provide her name or license, and blocked officers from accessing her identification documents stored in the trunk. The entire interaction remained stationary on the roadside rather than a pursuit. After several minutes of failed negotiations, officers forcibly removed her from the vehicle for obstruction and resisting an officer without violence. Once she was extracted and handcuffed, she continued to verbally protest. Eventually, the vehicle was released to an acquaintance who arrived at the scene, while the woman was transported by police for formal processing and booking. This incident serves as a powerful reminder that magic words found on the internet cannot override the practical reality of public safety laws. Relying on pseudo-legal theories like sovereign citizenship only turns a minor traffic stop into a criminal record and unnecessary trauma for your family. The best advice is to always carry a valid license, display proper plates, and address legal disputes in a courtroom rather than on the side of the road. If you found this breakdown insightful, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to catch our upcoming video analyses, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on how this situation was handled. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.